Hi everyone, welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, good to see you again, or hear you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If this is your first time here, welcome. This is English Coffee Time, the channel where we speak slow, clear, everyday American English for beginners and intermediate learners.
Every single day, we upload a long conversation, usually between 30 and 60 minutes, so you can listen while you drink coffee, cook, walk, drive, or just relax.
Listening every day is one of the best ways to improve your English naturally, so please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss our daily conversations.
Thank you so much for being here with us. Let's start today's coffee chat.
Hey Neo, how are you today?
Hey, Emma. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, but I'm a little tired. I went to the supermarket this morning and wow, it turned into a whole adventure.
Oh, really? Grocery shopping can be surprisingly interesting. What happened?
Well, I only needed a few things, milk, eggs, and bread, but I stayed there for almost an hour.
That always happens. You go in for 3 things and come out with 10.
Exactly. I think supermarkets are designed to make us buy more.
They really are. The lights, the music, the smells, it's all part of the experience.
Let's talk about supermarket shopping today. It's something everyone does, and there are so many real-life English situations there.
Great idea. And we can also share some funny and real experiences, not just teaching phrases.
Perfect. Let's start before the shopping even begins. Do you usually make a shopping list?
Yes, always. If I don't make a list, I forget important things and buy things I don't need.
Same here. I usually write my list on my phone. Today, my list was very short.
What was on it?
Milk, eggs, bread, and coffee, of course.
Coffee is never optional.
Never. So I walked into the store, grabbed a cart, and went to the produce section first.
Most supermarkets put fruits and vegetables near the entrance. Everything looks fresh and colorful.
Yes, and I stopped to look at the apples. There were so many kinds.
Red apples, green apples, big ones, small ones.
I stood there thinking, why is choosing apples so stressful?
And then someone else comes and starts choosing apples next to you.
That happened. A woman picked up an apple, looked at it carefully, and put it back 3 times.
That's serious apple business.
I finally chose some red apples and put them in a plastic bag.
Did you weigh them?
Yes, but at first I couldn't find the scale.
That's a good real-life moment. What did you do?
I asked an employee, "Excuse me, where can I weigh the fruit?"
Perfect sentence.
He smiled and showed me the scale. Simple, but I felt proud.
Those small moments build confidence.
Then I went to the bakery section.
That's the most dangerous section.
It smelled amazing. Fresh bread, cookies, cakes.
Let me guess, you didn't just buy bread.
No, I bought bread and cookies.
Of course.
And the funny thing is, they offered free samples.
Samples are impossible to resist.
I tried a small piece of chocolate cake. 5 minutes later, the cake was in my cart.
That's how they get you.
After that, I went to the dairy aisle.
Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter.
I stood there comparing prices. One milk was cheaper, but it expired sooner.
So which one did you choose?
The one with the later expiration date. I didn't want to rush.
Smart choice.
Then came the eggs, and guess what?
What?
None, just empty shelves.
No eggs at all?
None. I asked a worker, "Do you have more eggs in the back?"
Good question.
He said, "Yes, give me a minute." And he came back with a full box.
That feels like winning a prize.
It really did. What about the meat section? Did you go there?
Yes, I meated chicken. I didn't know which one to choose. That can be confusing.
So I asked, which one is better for cooking tonight?
Great natural English.
He recommended chicken breasts and explained how to cook them.
That's another great thing. People often help you.
After that, I walked through the snack aisle.
Danger zone again.
Chips, cookies, candy.
Did you stay strong?
Not really. I bought chips.
Honest answer.
Then I reached the frozen food section.
Frozen pizza, ice cream, vegetables.
I stood in front of the ice cream for a long time.
Thinking about flavors?
Yes, chocolate or vanilla?
The hardest question.
I chose chocolate.
Correct answer.
Finally, I went to the checkout.
Self-checkout or cashier?
Cashier. I had fruits and didn't want problems.
What did the cashier say?
She said, "Did you find everything you were looking for?"
And you said?
Yes, thank you.
Classic supermarket English.
Then she asked, paper or plastic?
What did you choose?
I said, I brought my own bag.
Very eco-friendly.
Then my card didn't work.
Oh no.
I felt embarrassed.
That happens to everyone.
She said, it's okay, you can try again.
And?
Second time worked.
Relief.
I left the store tired but happy.
That's a full supermarket experience.
Exactly. And it was all in English.
That's the key point. Supermarkets are perfect places to practice English naturally.
You read signs, you listen, you speak.
And you hear real everyday language.
Before we finish, tell me one of your funny shopping stories.
Okay, once I went shopping late at night. I was very tired.
That's already dangerous.
I bought salt instead of sugar.
Oh no.
Next morning, I made coffee. One sip and disaster.
Lesson learned.
Always read labels carefully.
Everyone listening, next time you go to the supermarket, try to notice the English around you.
Read the signs, listen to conversations, and say simple sentences.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write in English, what's your funniest or strangest supermarket experience?
Or tell us what you usually buy every week.
We read all your comments and reply to many of them.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell.
A new coffee chat is waiting for you tomorrow.
Thank you for spending your coffee time with us.
Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.
Bye for now. See you tomorrow.